How to fix your network connection is stuck on identifying Windows. So if you see identifying Windows message under the adapter name instead of network here, here's how to fix that problem. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to right click on the start button, open up the settings, and from here you want to search for troubleshoot and then click on troubleshoot other problems. And then from here you want to scroll down and click on network adapter and then click on run the troubleshooter and wait for it to check. Now you can select a specific adapter if you're having problems only with a specific one. Otherwise you can choose all network adapters to go through them all. But in this case I'm going to select my main adapter, press next and wait for it to gather any problems. And as it says here that there is no problems detected. But if it finds any problems for you, it should suggest you fixes. And the second way to fix it is first you want to close out of this and then go back. And in the search bar again, you want to search for network reset and then press on the network reset option here and then click on reset now. This will reset your network adapters and as well restart your computer. Now once your computer is restarted, this should generally fix the adapter problem. So you can go to change adapter options and then you can check your adapter. And if it still for some reason is stuck on identifying Windows, what you can do is try to right click on your adapter, disable it, and then right click and diagnose and wait for it to detect any problems. And then click on try repair these problems and wait for it to resolve the problems again. And once it's done, you can see that it should fix the problem. Now you can click on close troubleshooter and this should fix the stuck identifying Windows issue. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you in the next one.